The mine's is just a camcorder. It's not a camera.
Yeah, mine's too low for battery for camera.
Why can't we jump in
Okay, get the first present.
It is your phone. It's too low to take your pictures. Yeah, man.
Who's that one from?
You, Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy? Okay, you can open it. You go sit by the Christmas tree.
Christmas Day.
Open it, open it, open it. What's inside? Present time, present time. There you go.
Ooh.
Did I show you that?
Yay.
It's Mickey and Minnie. What is it, Mama?
It's a painting sculpture. It's a paint set. Painting on Mickey and Minnie.
All right, you're gonna have fun with that. I know you are.
Yay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go for the next one.
What's this for?
What does it say?
You said, what's it for?
That one says to. That one's Eli's.
Eli. That one.
Oh, here's one from Santa.
To me?
Yep, and here's another one from Santa.
Yay. Ooh, it's a Barbie doll.
What? How did you know that? No. It's just a regular Barbie doll.
And a good clothes. Oh, and it even has a suitcase.
Oh, a suitcase. That's awesome. Now she could travel with you.
I'll be having fun with this too.
I bet you will.
Ooh, I wonder what Santa gave me if it's going in.
I wonder what's in that one. Rip it open, rip it open. A jigsaw puzzle? Oh, what kind is it?
United States.
Ooh, you gonna know your states? You know your states?
Until I get this puzzle done. Here. Ta-da!
Cool beans. What's the next one? What's the next one? Go behind you. Look for more.
Oh, it's stuff behind you going that way, yours.
Not all of them. There's.
Hey!
Let's hold off on that one. We're gonna wait for Nikki and Ozzy to get back with you on that one.
I found another one from you and Daddy.
Another one. You're too close to me, girl.
Sorry.
Can't record you.
Ta-da!
Ooh. What is it, Mama?
And a computer. Another computer. Oh, it needs battery.
Okay. Go put it over there next to your other toys. Next present.
A girl that's not happy with technology, boy.
That one's not the Lisa's, I think.
That's what Lisa?
Is that what it says?
What you just said? What?
That's a Lisa.
Oh, that's not these, Mama. That's not these. Go put it down. Go behind. Go behind those presents.
What's the name of that little kid?
Natalisa.
Natalita.
Natalisa.
Who named that baby?
Ozzy. That's a cute name.
That is, that's creative. How you spell it?
Nataliza.
This?
Yeah, that one's from David.
Hey.
I think. Oh, yeah, that one's from David, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's from David.
That one's from David, Mama.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Looking like it's so small.
From you.
I know, Mama. Actually, the wrapping paper is just for me.
Yeah, the ones that don't have no, that don't say none of the ones from David, Mama.
Ta-da!
What is it?
Games.
What kind of games are they?
Donkey Kong, County Returns, and ooh, one's part for the U-Drop.
All right. Which one's your favorite?
David.
You want to mama?
Ooh, what a big mess.
Go behind. Go behind. You got a lot of toys. I mean, a lot of things back there. That's another one from David.
Ooh, for me.
You gotta start opening these presents a lot faster. Come on, break it open.
Ooh, it's a Barbie.
All right.
Yay. Ta-da.
Ta-da! Nice. What does that go to? Does that have another part to it or no?
Brush.
A brush. Cool. Now you can brush her hair.
And I can take her in the bath.
Nope, behind it, Mama.
Oh,
That's
behind
not
it.
hers?
No, I don't think so.
Was that yours, Mama?
It doesn't have a...
It has a name.
Oh, it's not a Lisa.
Uh-huh. All those behind there are yours.
To put all that stuff together.
Even this one?
No, that's yours.
This one. This big one. We found a big one.
Big one.
On the accident.
Oh. This fell off the tree.
Okay, it's okay. What's in it? What's in it?
The little house. Hey.
I know I ready for shop for kids, bro.
Yes, man. Once you get your kid, man, you know what they into.
Hey.
Is that your favorite toy so far?
Yeah, yeah.
What is
Ooh, and it even has a pirate ship.
All right, that's cool.
I can't wait to play with it.
All right, we'll keep going. Next one.
Ooh. And a pirate hat, parrot, and eye patch.
Eye patch. Can you wear the eye patch?
No, I can't.
You sure?
No, this is for her.
Oh, okay. She said, "Hey."
You look at that construction move there.
Well, that ain't gonna work, bro.
We saw one that had like a backhoe and stuff. You can build little bricks.
Ooh, Daddy.
That was strictly for boys.
Okay, let's wait and see Daddy open his. Open it.
Come on, Daddy. Open it.
Divinity, take this.
Works for
Very unique.
What are some
You're not supposed to tell him.
Oh,
you.
It's supposed to be a surprise gift. Remember? You're being just like your play.
See, now she knows you very well too, bro.
Pon eso para abajo. When I'm done.
Thank you, boo.
Aaron will come.
She knew you had a sweet tooth.
But that's not all he got.
She got me chocolate. She know I eat.
She got him a Butterfinger and
I don't think y'all should have did that.
you got your $20 GameStop card.
Ain't that?
What?
Almost about to rip it.
Babe, it's just tape on the side. That's all it is.
This guy.
She insisted on getting you the Mario Kart one.
I see it.
Two.
It is right in there.
Take it.
Put that towards the control.
To make sure it revolves around her.
I got another one from you too.
Oh, is that another one for me and Daddy?
Yeah.
Cool.
I wonder what it is.
Oh, let's see. Open it up. Open it up.
It's an alien rocket. What is this? I don't know what this is.
It's Kerplunk, Mama.
That's a kerplunk.
Kerplunk.
The little aliens from Toy Story.
Yeah.
I wonder what that was. Ooh. That's a game.
Ah.
Just like that.
Kerplunk.
It's a game, Mama. You put all the balls or the little aliens in there, and every time you take a stick out, I think
Kerplunk?
you have
I
to.
don't know what the original one was called.
I think it was called Kerplunk too, wasn't it? Huh? Go, Mama, go. Go, go. Marathon it.
I found another one from you and Daddy.
Okay, go get 2 more gifts over there. I'm pretty sure you have 2 more under that tree.
I think that.
Were you a spider in your sweet?
Big brother. Is this one from you too, David?
Yeah, if I don't say anything, it's from David.
He's the secret.
Alright.
Alright, so that's one, and you gotta bring one more from over there.
Yeah. I found another one.
Okay. Now open them.
This one's from you and Daddy first.
Okay. You keep getting closer and closer,
Ooh, Daddy.
girl.
Look at that I got.
Oh, you got trouble. Now you can get in
That
trouble.
little dice in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Oh boy.
There's trouble in the bubble.
She wanted board games for some reason. She
Trouble in the bubble. You said it. What's in the next one?
don't like jump on boards like that.
I wonder what it is.
That's the way to do it, Mama. You shake and then you open.
Okay. That's the other one. The other one she gonna go crazy about.
What is it?
I tickle me, Emma.
Squeeze them, boy.
You gonna squeeze him or what?
Alright. Look at it. That was funny.
You're cute.
Do it one more time.
Okay.
Look at it move.
Magic boy got a big foot.
What was that big foot?
That's like a buck.
Was it?
I thought, here's one more.
I don't know what you do with that shit,
I
though.
don't know what she did to what the price. Look what the price is.
That one from David, Mama?
I think.
I just wanted to see.
The label.
No label.
Because his hands like.
Oh, no, that one's not from David. That one's from Santa.
Santa.
Yeah, that one had no label on it either.
I don't want to see that shit. Hey,
Hold on. Let her finish. She will work her way. Mr. In a Rush.
man, I'm still around.
What is it?
Art set.
That was my first starter kit right there.
What do you have there, Mama?
Same brand, everything.
You serious?
It's a collection of markers, pencils, color pencils.
Trying to give me to add more
Markers,
colors to my
watercolor
pictures,
cakes.
'cause all I did was black and white.
These plastic panels. Sketching pencils, eraser, plastic brush.
Oh my, when you buy your eraser.
14 color pencils, 12 marker, 24 watercolored cakes, watercolored cake, 1 plastic panel, 1 sketching pencil, 1 eraser, 1 plastic brush, 14 crayons, 12 mini oil, 1 pencil sharpener, 18 drawing pads,
I think she's gonna tell me everything that was in it.
1 plastic drawing case, and here the one finished.
Oh, cool. You got a creatology set.
Yay.
Nice. Go show it to your Uncle David.
We're going to draw now, mama. See? Then you wouldn't have to steal my markers no more, Mama.
The baby.
My little pencil sharpener.
Hey, grab one more gift from over there.
What?
Grab one more gift from over there.
Sorry.
Got 2 more. The back, Mama, the back.
On the back.
That's what's up right there.
What?
All pencils,
I
pastel.
found one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Big one.
From who?
It has no label.
Oh, that's David.
Or Santa.
No, that's David.
I found this one with no label either.
Bring it over. There you go. We'll get one more.
And then the rest for later.
Yeah. I just leave that one big one forever later. You know, because it only.
Those over there hers too, huh?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Ooh, look.
Yeah, open it, boy.
Okay, open those 3.
So slow.
Yeah, we're trying to get those to go to sleep. Until you trying to go to sleep later. That's how you gonna have it.
It's okay. It'll be in her room, not ours. All right, dale, Mama, open. Open, open.
It's a dress from
Of who?
Olivia.
Are you gonna dress up like Olivia?
Yep.
All right.
This would be fun.
I think that's good. That's pretty good.
Wonder what it is. What do you think it is?
I won't play that.
It's a sorry spin.
I want to see how it works. Spin.
Me too.
Yeah, tell Dooney twice. She's on board with you.
Ooh, this is going to be fun to play. Wasn't it, Mama?
Okay. What is that one? Oh, wait, Divinity, wait. It says no peeking.
Oh, it's another mermaid.
Another mermaid.
Ooh, the mermaid set.
It's a mermaid set. It's not
Yay.
just a mermaid set.
See what it is, dude?
Yeah.
Look in the front. That's the back.
Oh, the front.
See where it goes. That's for the bathroom.
Hey.
Stick it up next to your cup.
Hey,
No, no.
No, let's go with it.
Yeah. No, no, look. The mermaid doll goes with that.
Ooh. Okay.
She sits in a swing.
Now go see if you have another one over there, Mama.
Here's one with a blue ribbon.
Oh.
Oh,
We was gonna wait the way she figured it out.
Yeah. Strong.
I wonder what it is.
you must have put everything together.
Tear it open, Mama. Tear it open.
Yay! Moon sand!
All right. Now you can go to the moon and test the sand.
That's called moon sand.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's not the sand from the moon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it stay dry if I go into the bath? No,
Huh?
that's also sand.
That was which kind of sand?
Alcohol sand.
Aqua sand? That's what it was. Aqua.
What?
The aqua sand that stays dry.
So
If you're in a tub.
that doesn't get wet.
No?
No sand doesn't
Never
get wet.
dries out.
It never dries out. In other words, you can leave the container open and it won't dry out.
Ooh, Princess Moon sand. Yay! I love it.
Alright, go see if you have any more back there.
Ooh. That's what I was waiting for. Moon sand.
Now we can send you to the moon with it.
Well, simplistic as it sounded to you, but that's what she wanted.
Hey, mom, that's all you like right there, mama.
Go look under the tree, Mama. Who's that little one with the green bow?
Yours. No, it's David's.
I'm saying, that's it. That's all the stuff right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you put a lot of tape on this bad boy, huh?
Mommy helped you.
Well, she take this, but I'm not sure she want me to open this, mama.
Just open it.
It's off on the board, yeah. Hey,
She picked it herself.
Kim McGraw. That's what's up, mama. We should smell it. We're gonna smell this together right now.
It smells good, actually.
I don't want to be a singer. I can smell it. What you say? What you say, mama?
Smell it. Let it smell. Let it smell, David. I mean, David. Hey.
It's strong. It's real strong.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Kim McGraw.
I think that's all the presents back here.
Okay, then we're set.
Ooh. I found another one with no label.
Oh, that one's yours.
From you.
Are you sure that's yours? Make sure there's no writing on the top of it. I think it is. Let me double check.
Mama got a
No, it
strategy.
doesn't have any rating.
You sure?
Mama, yeah, it ain't got a name on me. Claim it.
Okay, yep, you're right. It's yours.
Yay. Wonder what this one is.
Open it, open it. Find out. That's over. How you forget all the things you get her?
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
It is. Guess what I always wanted. Washable sidewalk activity set. Chalk. Crayola.
How many D's is it?
These.
Yeah.
1,
2 and
3.
yep, 3D.
She don't know what that means?
I think she does. No, but that's the one where you could use the glasses.
No. You take it outside. Just have a draw. Just have a foot on my
No, you draw it. You use it outside and then put it on the glass. And it really comes off the sidewalk.
Oh, see? Tiffany knows what it was. Tell David again what it is.
You draw it on the sidewalk. Then you use the 3D glasses. And then it really comes off the sidewalk.
Alright.
See,
Mama,
that's.
open your little Olivia the pick thing. I want to see what you will look like.
Go,
Can I, Mama?
Go ahead.
And open it.
Now I can make those little croissant things if you want.
What are you doing, Daddy?
I did say croissant, David. Don't be alarmed.
What? 'Cause
I still go take you to Sweet Pea's house.
You promise, Mama?
Yep.
Ooh.
Ah.
I got a telescope.
You got a telescope. Just to decorate your chest.
What's that thing doing?
It's updating.
That's the thing when you do games, huh? When you put them in. If you're
I'm gonna look through the telescope.
in the frame with
Open it, Mama.
Have David open it. I'm recording.
Open it.
That's just like the crack they got right now for the PC, which is a USB port crack. It only works if your P3 is on the same frame
I
rate.
know, it's going to look through
But
the
you could downgrade the frame rate, so it don't matter.
Yippee. Yippee. Thank you. I found the telescope.
What you see? Let me see. Let me see what you see.
Alright.
You want to just like a pirate to Sweet Pea's house?
It's too cold outside.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, this sucks.
Is it gonna fit?
Oh no, I don't think so. Not the shoes, anyways. No, what you did right on your feet.
Saturday.
You do remind yourself what day Christmas was,
Oh, Mama, it's inside out.
Oh, inside out?
Mm-hmm.
huh? No, it's
I
not.
don't think so.
No?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, cause the little tag. That's a bad hat, mama. Like that. Mom, what you gotta try the shoes, mama. Let me see a little foot.
It's big. It's too big. Yes, it is.
No, Mama. That's right there. You had it right.
Ah. I'm sure
David's having practice putting on a glass slipper.
it's not glass.
Okay.
It's plastic. And it's
Oh, mommy, stop moving your little toe. Sure, she up like this little bit thing. See, look, voila,
How does it feel, Mama?
tight.
uncomfortable.
It looks cute.
Here comes the other one.
Oh, you gonna put it on? Oh, okay. Wait, mom, what is this? Your socks?
No, I'm gonna say it for this.
I think those were sleeves.
Yeah, I think so.
Now put your sleeve on instead, mama.
No,
No.
I'm just going to do this.
Oh yeah, that was sleeves.
Ooh, that's what I am.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to be, mama, a little ballerina.
No, I'm not going to.
It's supposed to be a little pirate.
No, it's like a combination of both.
No, an explorer. It's an explorer.
Oh, an explorer.
Cause see, this gonna be her little crown when she turns into the ballerina. And then your little bow.
Divinity would know better. Alright, my little explorer.
See? Be a dancer, be a adventurer. See?
Yeah? Oh, sorry, Dad.
No. How do you get your controller to work?
Let me see.
Batteries.
Batteries are dead?
Is it lighting up blue?
No.
That's. Is it lighting up blue, Mama? Does it need batteries?
No, it's not lighting blue.
It's probably because it needs batteries.
It has
Give
batteries.
me the batteries off the counter in the kitchen.
Alright.